how to cut a pineapple. First thing you do is you cut the top off and the bottom off. And the bottom off. Put it away. Now, many people peel it. I find it easier to do it this way. Cut it into slices first and then peel it. I find this so much easier. So let me show you how to do this. So just like this. This is so easy compared to trying to peel the pineapple while it's still whole. Yep. And then you have this eye of the pineapple. You don't want the eye of the pineapple. They don't taste very good. So try and remove the pineapple. And because they're already sliced up, it's so much easier to remove it. Just remove all that. Just remove all the eye. It depends how thick you want. If you want it thicker, then you slice it thicker. So it depends on your size, the thickness that you want. I don't want it so thick this time round. There you have it. So it's all nicely peeled. The eyes have all been removed. Cut it into 4. Oh, there's a bit of eye left here. Cut into 4. And you don't want the core. The core is very fibrous, so you throw the core away. Just throw the core away, cut it off. And now you're left with it. And cut it to whatever size you want. So this is how you peel and cut your pineapple.